Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Planet Coaster 2 guys, and in this video I'm going to share with you how actually I got a copy of the game for free guys. So if you want to do it also, if you want to get a copy of the game for free also, you and play it in any platform that you play, then watch this video until the end guys. I'm going to share you the steps I followed for myself so you can learn also how to do it on your own. It's very simple, very easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end. You're going to understand everything, and in a couple of minutes you're going to be able to get the game. Okay, so I'll just need to turn the camera on the other side to explain everything you need to know guys. Okay, so as you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're going to need it in order to get a copy of the game. It doesn't matter the device you're using, iOS or Android, the steps are going to be the same. We're just going to get a game code guys, which practically you can get the game in any platform that you are playing. So I'm going to show you all the steps I did it so you can understand everything you know. So basically me, I got the code by text. So I'm going to share with you, and if you get it also by SMS, it's going to look like this. I say that the same text is going to be for everyone, and it says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, which is one-time use. I already did it. Is your Planet Coaster 2 game code from WizCoupon. So basically I went to this website guys, which I'm going to continue the rest of the steps to explain to you what you have to do. You have a lot of other things inside you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm just going to type here in the searching bar the name of the game. Okay, here it is. And then down below you're going to have the different platforms. As you can see, for the whole platforms guys, the steps are the same, so you just need to choose which one you are playing. All right, so you just need to press show coupon code, unlock the code, and then you just need to wait a couple of seconds for the whole circle to get complete 100%, and then it's going to redirect you guys to another page when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do it guys, just follow the instructions, and I'm going to explain also me right now. So it says here in the description to download the complete 2 apps below in order to unlock Planet Coaster 2 game code after complete the task, and their phone number, email above. As you saw with me, I put my phone number because I got it by text, as you saw it. If you want, you can put your email. This is on your own choice how do you want to get it. But before you do that guys, down below you have this list of the apps. You just need to choose two apps from this list. As you can see, everything is for free. You don't have to pay anything. And the most important is that all the apps, guys, that are over here, they are officially from Play Store and App Store. So you don't have to do anything outside official stores, all right? So this is legit, so it's not any problem for that. So try to choose 2 apps which are the easiest one. As you can see, all the apps has different description. Make sure you read this description carefully so you don't miss anything. And try to find which is the easiest one so you can finish fast. So for example, me, I did Chrome Coins, and High Five Casino. This one's very simple apps, guys. I just wanted to download the apps and to open it for a couple of seconds, and that's it. It took me like 5-6 minutes. So how it works, you just need to choose and press on it, and then it shows again the instruction what you have to do. For this particular app, it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. It says it will take you to App Store because I'm using iPhone. For Android, it will take you Play Store. And it says you need to search in the searching bar casino and find the crown coins, and you just need to install the app and to open it. So as you can see, very simple task. So press search App Store, open the App Store. So we're going to the official store, as you can see, and type casino. And we just need to find now Crown Casino. Here it is. As you can see, the menu was open because I have done it before, so I just downloaded and I just opened a couple of seconds, and that's it. It was considered done as a task. So the next one, it was High Five Casino. So I got back again to this page, and then here High Five Casino, tap to install. It will redirect again to the App Store. As you can see, I already did it, so just download it and open it. So after I completed both of these 2 apps, I came back, guys. I put my phone number here. All right, I submitted. Now I submitted it will not come because it's not my phone number, and couple of minutes after, they just sent me a text, guys, with a code. After they verified I did correctly everything. So basically this is it, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next videos. Cheers.